guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be trying the Eco styling gel. So I finally bought the gel. So I'm going to be trying it today and see if it really works, if it's gonna lay down my hair, because my hair is really stubborn. So I'm going to be putting it to a test. Okay, before you say, Vivian, but this gel has been out for a long time. Well, it's new for me because I just bought it, so it's new in my collection of gel. Hopefully this won't go to the dumpster because most of the gel I bought obviously doesn't, some lay down the hair, while some doesn't, like some just leave like a white flake on the hair. So I'm going to be giving this a try today. Finger crossed. Let's see. I've seen a lot of you guys using this gel on YouTube, so I'm gonna try it myself. Okay, so I've already washed my hair yesterday and applied on my hair lotion and everything, so just stretch it out a bit. Right now it's looking really good. So before we start, I'm gonna take out the hold on. Okay, I'm gonna take out the hairband. So just gently remove that. Oh, did I mention the hairstyle I'm doing? I'm going to be doing a crochet ponytail today. My hair is long enough to try that, so that's what we'll be doing today. Just take that and put it somewhere. So this is my hair, and it's getting really long, as you can see. Super thick. Ooh, right. Alright, so since I've already moisturized my hair yesterday, I'm just gonna go straight into applying the gel. So I'm gonna start from the middle. Think that technique seems to work for some, like, yeah, the technique worked for most of the video I've watched on YouTube. They kind of divide the hair and work with like session by session and applying the gel, and they lay the hair down really flat. So I'm going to be trying that today. And so now I'm going to start from the middle part, the middle section. So I'm going to make a straight line here, so just to clear some space. My mirror is over here in case you wonder why I'm looking this way. It's right here. Bring this down a little bit so that way you guys can see it and zoom in. That's what there is. Okay. So next I'm gonna take the gel. Why do I open it? Okay, take about that much first and apply it on the middle section. So just real quick, for this part, before going ahead to apply the gel on your hair, you can spray in some water on your hair to help soften the hair a little bit, and also that will help the gel to stick to the hair more, and also that will reduce the amount of gel you use if you apply it on the wet hair. So next I'm moving on to the next session, doing the same thing, going to be working with the smallest section at a time. And don't worry about the line being perfect. So we don't want it to be perfect. The rest of the hair is going to cover that up. Okay, maybe the gel is not enough. Right. It's working, guys. Okay, take the brush and brush it through. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the back section. Going to be doing the same thing, working the little section at a time and applying the gel. So far so good. Right there, looks flat. And now, so next I'm gonna go in with a rubber band and wrap that around the hair to wrap it really not too tight though. I want it tight but not too tight. So I just wrap it around about 3 to 4 times, and yeah. I'm gonna hold this down so that way it doesn't move, and then just comb and lift the hair. Hold it down, comb the hair. So after combing the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and braid the ponytail, and next I fold the tip of the hair over, and now I'm going in with a small rubber band and I'm gonna wrap that around it, so that will keep the tip of the hair in place while we do the crochet braid. That will make sure it's that the tip of the hair is secured in place. So next right here, I'm just going ahead to lay down my edges, lay those baby hairs down. And for the hair I'm using today is expression braided hair color 2, and I cut the hair into 2. And so next I went ahead and tied a head scarf around the hair, and that will also help to lay the hair flat and also make sure it's smooth, and also this will prevent the crochet hair from rubbing on the back of the hair while I'm trying to do the crochet braid. So for the crochet braid, is really easy. We're going to be using the regular crochet method, going to be doing the a double knot, and also while you want to start from the tip of the hair and work your way towards the root, and you want to crochet all the way around the braid, starting from the front all the way to the back and the both sides. So you want to crochet all the way around to get the perfect crochet braid ponytail. So you want to make sure that the amount of hair you're using for the crochet braid is not too big. You want to use small pieces of hair for the crochet braid. So take your time. There is no need to rush it unless if you're in a rush. But even if you're in a rush, you don't want the hair to be too big. So just take your time and walk around the braid all the way around. So right now I'm walking on the bottom part of the hair of the braid and doing the same thing, just that on the last row on the bottom I only did a single knot because it's just the last one, so it wouldn't unravel or anything like that. So that's it. So that's the finished result so far. So before going ahead to use the hot comb, I'm going in with a white tooth comb to comb through the hair to make sure it's tangle free. Next I'm gonna go in with the hot comb and comb through the hair. I'm gonna start from the tip and work my way towards the top. So next I'm going to be taking a little piece of hair from the back, and I'm going to be wrapping that around the roots of the hair. Just wrap it all the way around. So for the end of the hair, I'm going to be using a bobby pin to pin that in place to make sure it's secured in place and making sure it doesn't unravel. Okay, I'm gonna go take my bobby pin and pin this part of the hair down, and I'm also gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera. And right here is the finished result right here. This is the finished result of the crochet ponytail. I love the hairstyle and the outcome of the crochet braid. I hope you guys do too. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.